so strong you can smell me coming. Bitch, I go hard like the boy from 300. You think y'all kick it? Well, boy, we puntin'. Young money, baby, we the shit, big stomachs. No silk.
Let's get right into the video.
Okay, so right now what we're doing is going through our list that we had set up a couple days ago, and we're just setting up our little table and pop-ups so we can make sure that everything is here. We have our mirror, table, rack, earring rack, tote. Now let's add our inventory. Here's what everything looks like without the tablecloth. I'm not giving you guys a tour until we're set up at the venue, but you can definitely see what our game plan is. This is definitely a very important step so that you can visualize where your booth will fit and you won't have to stress on much besides the setup.
Now we out to the sound of our A. Here we have the upcycled and reworked pieces. These right here are definitely one of my favorite. We also brought some items from our Poshmark. Now our beautiful handmade lighter cases. And last but not least, our earring rack featuring our Curious Culture version 1 long sleeve and short sleeves in the back. So now I'll be taking you guys on a quick tour of the whole event.
It's really good. I like this one. It hasn't sold, huh?
Alright, whatever happens, nigga, fuck it. Don't ask me who made this beat, nigga, you should know this song. Yeah.
What time is it? Dance break. Dance break. Let's go. Dance break. Let's go. Go. Dance break. Dance break. Go. Dance break. Go.
It's 4 a.m. Hey, I like the way you talking and loving the way you looking. Liking the way your body move, yeah, when you move it. Yeah, you looking at me while I'm looking at you. So gonna give me your number, yeah.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. We will be making videos every week. Click thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Have a great day. Bye.